What excuse would you give if you had to fart when you are stuck in a lift? What excuse would I give?
Nice question though.
So, no, I didn't do it. You did it. No, I didn't do it.
Ew!
Sorry, I ate mooli ka paratha at night.
Can you press that button? Please, 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 please. Can you press that button? Okay, that. Maybe.
This week we went out and asked, what excuse would you give if you had to fart while you're stuck in a lift? Hi guys, this is a fun-filled video with a lot of awkward and intense moments. So sit back and enjoy the presentation.
What excuse would you give if you had to fart when you are stuck in a lift?
Something smells.
But you did it.
Yeah, I know.
Probably, what do I do? If I have some luggage or something, I'll pull that so that the noise becomes like it camouflages with that.
Yeah, you could play loud music and like.
हाथ से कुछ कर दिया, मुंह से कुछ कर दिया, गाने कुछ बजा दिए जोर जोर से, अगर छोड़नी है। हाँ बिल्कुल।
I'm launching my jetpacks. Be aware.
You? हाथ मूली का पराठा। हाथ मूली का पराठा सर।
I would just pretend I did not do it. I do it and I'll just pretend I did not. Like.
Oh my god, this lift is making noises.
Someone really enjoyed the blueberry cheesecake today.
We'll immediately get out at the next stop.
People actually do fart in public. I have friends who fart in public.
I'll try the alarm button and then cover it from that.
And then you will try to fart. मतलब alarm बजा के, fire alarm बजा के.
Yeah, that's the easiest way.
I wouldn't. Yeah, so this is the thing with me. I don't do it. Yeah.
Every human being does it.
No, but I don't do it in public.
I've seen many people who fart in front of me and I'm like,
And even if they know, I'll still, for my self-conscious, pretend I did not do it. I'll just look at the other person and like try to look like I'm judging you. I did it, I know it, but I'm judging you.
I'll just say excuse me.
And you will fart, gandi wali.
Yeah, what difference would it make? What difference would one hot girl would make?
There are plenty of fishes in the sea, right?
Yeah.
एक और आ जाएगी लिफ्ट में, वो चली जाएगी तो।
हाँ.
और वो अगर आ गई और वो कहे इतनी स्टिंक क्यों आ रही, क्या बोलोगे?
तब तक तो मैं बाहर निकल जाऊँगा.
अच्छा तब तक बाहर निकल जाओगे.
Why should I give an excuse? I would just fart, dude. I mean, just fart and say excuse me. I mean, it's natural, now.
It's natural, but people will stare at you, definitely.
So what, dude? Just let them stare. I mean, people stare at me all the time. What's the big deal about it? In a lift? Oh my god! I would just say I burped from some other end.
First I'll try to do it with a silent, in silence. But if it's uncontrollable, then probably I'll do it. It's a human nature to do it. And what else can we do about it?
Why do you think farting in public is a taboo?
Now that's a taboo, but then I wouldn't want people to go through an uncomfortable experience of having to deal with, a bad smell.
Bro, do you fart?
Yeah.
Like loudly or silently?
Silently. No, silently. Privately.
I guess because of the psychology, everyone thinks he might be having a bad day or what bad stomach, that's what, and everyone gets embarrassed.
it's a woman's call to release some gas in the air. It leads to global warming, we say, but it doesn't. It's fun actually.
Because it's supposed to do with excretion of stuff. Like you build up gas and it's like pretty disgusting. Plus the smell, so yeah.
कर लो यार जो तुम्हें करना है. Obviously सबके साथ होता ही है. क्या दिक्कत क्या है उसमें?
It's India, India का हाल कैसे है आपको बताइए. So
You're awesome, bro. Thank you. Thanks, bro.
So if you have any questions in your mind which you want us to ask, do comment below the video and press the subscribe button to stay updated with all our episodes. Also, do the regular like and share. Until next time, goodbye.
What do you mean by a boner? Boner.
This is the best pair of boobs I've ever seen.
Which is heavier, a ton of bricks or a ton of feathers?
A ton of bricks.
Ton of bricks.